Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is nuclear fusion. There are two new types of nuclear reactions. One is the nuclear fusion and second one is the nuclear fission. Fusion reaction and fission reaction. The word fusion means to join or to combine. Fusion means to fuse or to join or to combine. The process in which two nuclei of light elements like that of hydrogen combine to form a heavy nucleus like that of helium is called the nuclear fusion. During this fusion reaction, a tremendous amount of energy is produced. We know that the nuclei of atoms are positively charged. So when two nuclei are brought together, they repel each other due to their similar charges. As you know, that like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Due to this, a lot of initial heat, energy and high pressure are required to force the lighter nuclei to fuse together to form a bigger nucleus. So, the condition needed for carrying out the nuclear fusion process are millions of degrees of temperature and millions of pascals of pressure. Or in other words, we can say that nuclear fusion is carried out by heating the lighter atoms to extremely high temperature under extremely high pressure. There is some loss of mass during this fusion, which appears as a tremendous amount of energy. And this type of reaction, this fusion process, which is just the opposite of fission, and the energy produced by nuclear fusion reaction is however much more, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी से पैदा होती है, is much more as produced by the nuclear fission. And this nuclear fusion is not controlled, it can't be controlled, because the energy produced during this nuclear fusion has not been controlled so far. So nuclear fusion energy could not be used for generating electricity. As dear students, in previous lessons I told you that the main source of energy, rather the ultimate source of energy in this universe is the sun. How sun is able to produce this energy? The sun, which gives us heat and light, derives the energy from the fusion of hydrogen nuclei into helium nuclei, which is going on inside it all the times. The main nuclear fusion reaction taking place in the sun, which releases a tremendous amount of energy, is the fusion of 4 hydrogen atoms or 4 hydrogen atom nuclei to form a bigger nucleus of helium atom. This is the reaction, the total energy produced by the fusion of hydrogen into helium is tremendous. It's very tremendous. And this light and heat energy is very essential for the living world. There is an advantage of this fusion reaction because nuclear fusion reactions over nuclear fission for producing electricity is that the amount of energy released in the fusion reaction is much more than that as liberated by the fission reaction. Moreover, the products of fusion reaction are not radioactive. This is the advantage. So they are harmless and can be disposed of easily without causing any contamination in the environment. But the biggest disadvantage of this nuclear fusion reaction is that it has not been possible to have a controlled fusion reaction so far and to safely use the enormous heat produced during this reaction for the production of electricity. So it is very difficult to produce electricity from this nuclear fusion reaction. थैंक यू बेटा. दूसरी क्लास में फिर मिलेंगे विद द न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज fission reaction. Okay, best of luck.